Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today at our webinar dedicated to the lately released drivers for our whole IGBT modules portfolio. My name is Alexey Cherkasov. I've been working in the company for over 10 years. Right now, together with my team, I'm responsible for marketing in Proton Electrotex. In the next 15 minutes, I will shortly describe Proton Electrotex business for those who is not well familiar with our company and product portfolio. And then I will provide details about the IGBT modules and compatible drivers. So, Proton Electrotex was established in 1996. Next February, we will celebrate its 25th anniversary. The head office and production sites are located in a city named Orel. It's in the central part of Russia. Main business of Proton Electrotex is development and manufacturing of power semiconductor devices. At the moment, about 500 people work in the company, making it possible to deliver worldwide over 300,000 pieces of power semiconductors annually. Right now, Proton Electrotex product portfolio can be divided in 4 groups: pressure contact power semiconductors, solid contact power semiconductors, power stacks, and measuring equipment. Pressure contact power semiconductors group includes diodes. Proton Electrotex offers rectifying, avalanche, welding, and fast recovery diodes, available in stud, capsule, and module design, with average current up to 12,500 amps and blocking voltage up to 6,500 volts. The diodes range is very huge. Pressure contact power semiconductors group also includes thyristors. Proton Electrotex offers phase control, fast, and avalanche thyristors, available in stud, capsule, and module design, with average current up to 5,000 amps and blocking voltage up to 6,500 volts. Thyristors range is enormous, suitable for all known to us applications. Solid contact power semiconductors include the whole IGBT modules range, available in half-bridge, low-side chopper, and high-side chopper topologies. Collector emitter voltage is 12 and 1700 volt. Nominal current is up to 600 amps. Proton Electrotex IGBT modules have standard industrial housing, what makes them easy to use in common power electronics applications. Being very much experienced in power semiconductors area, here at Proton Electrotex we offer such complex solutions like power stacks. From the easiest to assemble stacks of semiconductors with heat sinks to more complex units like IGBT inverters for commercial electrical vehicles. This product group is very customer-oriented, so any design and hardware is possible. And the last, but not the least, product group is measuring equipment. Its modular design and variable clamping system are suitable for testing IGBTs, silicon carbide MOSFETs, thyristors, and diodes. Proton Electrotex in-house testing laboratory was certified for running tests for the second-party organizations. More information about new features of measuring equipment you can find later this year in Borders Power magazine. Well, this was just brief information about the company and its product portfolio. And now I want to pay more attention to IGBT modules and compatible drivers. Today, in Proton Electrotex, we offer IGBT modules in 3 standard industrial designs: MIFA series, it's 34mm modules, MIAA series, 62mm modules, and MIDA series, it's 62mm modules in low inductance 17mm housing. All modules are commonly used in electric drives, voltage inverters for solar and wind power, for air conditioning systems, uninterruptible power supplies, and many other power electronics applications. MIFA and MIAA IGBT modules are available in half-bridge, low-side chopper, and high-side chopper topologies with nominal current up to 400 amps and collector emitter voltage of 12 and 1700 volt. MIDA series are available only as half-bridge with nominal current from 300 to 600 amps and collector emitter voltage of 12 and 1700 watt. And starting this month, we begin to supply our IGBT modules together with compatible drivers. Well, MIFA IGBT series may be delivered together with the DI28-17-E-2 two-channel plug-and-play driver. This driver is specifically designed for 34mm IGBT modules with voltage up to 1700 volt. It has compact design, IGBT short circuit protection, and works both in direct and half-bridge modes. Operation of the driver requires a stabilized supply voltage of +15 ±0.5 volt. If the supplied voltage drops below the minimal value, the driver's undervoltage protection will engage and block the input control signals until the supply voltage rises to the range of +14.5 volt. The maximum current consumption of the driver in dual-channel operation is 0.4 amps at a frequency of 15 kHz. MIAA IGBT series may be delivered together with the DI28-17-E-1 two-channel plug-and-play driver. This driver is specifically designed for 62mm IGBT modules with voltage up to 1700. It as well has compact design, IGBT short circuit protection, and works both in direct and half-bridge modes. In the short circuit event, even a small inductance of plain parallel buses is enough for an abrupt IGBT shutdown to cause an overvoltage pulse in most cases, causing failure of the transistor switch. Therefore, when a short circuit current occurs, this driver will turn off the IGBT using a soft shutdown method that will safely turn off the transistor. MIDA IGBT series may be delivered together with the DI215-17-E-1 two-channel plug-and-play driver. This driver is specifically designed for standard low inductance 17mm IGBT modules with voltage up to 1700 volt. Like the previous drivers, DI215-17-E-1 driver has power supply monitor. It is designed to protect the driver from undervoltage. The lower protection threshold is +13.7 volt. Protection turn-off threshold is +14.5 volt. If the protection is engaged, the driver will switch to the error. The driver will stay in the error state until the cause of the error has been resolved. All of the presented IGBT drivers require no conversion boards and are ready to use out of the box. There are two ways to mount all the drivers: solder to gate terminals of IGBT module or connect to IGBT modules with wires. The presented wires are specifically designed for individual features of Proton Electrotex IGBT modules, so there is no need to spend time for searching the drivers that work with your IGBT modules. We already did it for you. Moreover, all of the drivers can be customized. The presented drivers can be ordered together with IGBT modules or separately from now on. The feature release of the drivers will be available in July issue of Borders Power Systems magazine, and already now you can download the datasheets and application notes for the drivers. If you still have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us by means of my personal or our marketing team email. Right after the end of my presentation, there will be a short feedback form for you to fill in and ask all your questions regarding Proton Electrotex IGBT and drivers portfolio. So please do not switch off your browsers. And to stay up to date with the latest company product news, I recommend to follow us in one of your most preferred social media. Well, thank you a lot for your time today. My name is Alexey Cherkasov, Head of Marketing in Proton Electrotex. See you soon.